Hi, my name is Lincoy Small, the Director of JPS's System Operations. On an average basis, an outage for me means sleepless nights.
I am Osawaki Wickham, Manager, Engineering and Standards. It's a plan work, meaning we communicate when we're gonna have that outage. Customer will know.
I'm Allivia Philp. I'm a lineman 1 in the transmission department. Stress, a lot of stress. If it's a planned outage, it's smooth sailing. And if it's a forced outage, we normally have to be running up and down, finding materials to be used or carrying things that we think we might need to use.
So JPS continuously complete research to improve our reliability. Over the past years, we have introduced fault indicators so that we can zero in on where the faulted section of a line, our transmission or distribution network, wherever we have a fault. We have introduced trip savers, which will help us to save fuses, which is that loud sound that you generally hear whenever you say the transformer blow. So we have devices which will open and close and open and close for the intermittent faults that are associated with just a tree limb touching the line. So what this does is reduce the number of customers that is impacted by an outage.
Hello, my name is Camaria Spalding and I'm a journeyman lineman. Outside of our control are vehicular accidents, which causes when a vehicle hits a pole, is an entire pole out.
These are very unfortunate situations, as no motor vehicle accident is acceptable and loss of life is also very unacceptable. But in addition to you being hurt or losing your life, it will also result in power disruption to our customers, which when these things happen, they're outside of our control.
My name is Jason Perry, journeyman lineman KC. Guys, I'm flying kite and the kite tail on the line, and during the rainy time we just, lick out the line and then have customer have outages from different angles,
In transmission department, most of our lines run through terrains, rivers, cross rivers, bush. So when rainfall and landslide happen, it might affect the line, or if a car accident, they might lick in a pole and broke it.
It depends, if you plan, you prepare mentally, but if you don't plan, then you have to think about your facts. Your plans where you have to put off your plan because you put the customer them first, and then you have to prepare yourself mentally against you have to go dig pole hole, you have to go plant pole, and you have to go run back conductor based on the severity of the outage, Make sure when you reach on the job site, we mitigate all hazard and then we try to find the problem,
How we deal with an outage from a maintenance perspective. So we will get our materials ready on the truck. We will show up at the location at the outage time, ensure that the power lines are dead by testing, applying our shortened ground, and then we will begin to work.
There are 3 different areas that we try to manage. On the generation side, if there's less demand and less supply than demand, then we will do what is called load shedding. If we do not do this, it means instead of 5 or 10 people not having power for a very short duration, it will mean the entire country could be in darkness for as much as 8 to 10 hours. On the transmission system, when these outages tend to happen, we, based on our location here in the control room, we will have an idea where these outages are. And our crews, which are on standby, can go directly to these areas to basically rectify the problem on these transmission lines. On the distribution lines, however, this is where you, our customers, come in. We cannot monitor the entire 11,000 kilometers of lines that we have. So sometimes we are going to rely on our customers to call in and to tell us where the location of these possible faults are. And then our crews, which are on standby, will be dispatched to these locations, isolate the fault, start the work to ensure that we restore our power to you as quickly as possible.
You can get more information on the JPS mobile app.
That application will tell you where those planned or the intentional outages are, or they can tell you when the forced outages are after you or customers have reported that there's an outage in your area. It will come up on the map and to tell you that there's an outage there. It will tell you how long the outage will take to restore and what are the problems that our crews are facing.